Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about possible leaked date for the Galaxy S22 launch. This might be a really good time to take a look at it. Of course, with previous rumors, we've discussed that this was going to be in February. And, I've had from multiple sources tell me that this event would happen in February and that, the phone doesn't have a specific launch date just yet. But of course, with the Unpacked event being kind of leaked, it's a possibility that it's going to be we're going to know that date, exactly the day that it comes out. Usually you can get pre-orders around that time as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is by Android Central, so check them out, guys. Of course, same thing. I just will go ahead and skim through it and give you my personal opinion and so on. So it says newly leaked promotional image. The Galaxy S22 launch may be just around the corner. So thanks to Evan Blass, aka EV Leaks, posted an image on Monday which apparently reveals the date and time of the event and when we'll get a full look at the successor of the Galaxy's best Android phones. So of course, guys, there's going to be a couple. A lot of people are excited for the Ultra, which is going to be sporting a Note-like shape and features. Of course, that phone is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it is what it is. So here it is, Samsung, the Epic Standard Galaxy Unpacked, and it's supposed to be leaking or releasing it looks like February 9th. If you can look here, here's promotional image. It says February 9th or 9 February 2022. So that's around the corner, about 2 weeks away, guys. Very exciting. We can finally see exactly, what the official specs and price, because right now everything is just rumors and speculation, So it says, if the information is to be believed, the Galaxy S22 launch is launching on February 9, roughly 2 weeks away. This is set to be at around 3 p.m., but it's not known what time zone, so Central or Pacific, or, they just don't know, what time zone that's going to be. So it might be 3 o'clock, here in the East Coast, or 3 o'clock on the West Coast. You never know, you know what I mean? Says the date seems to match some previous rumors that we'll be seeing the Galaxy S22 series early February launch, with dates fluctuating between February 8th or 9th. So it looks like it's finally leaked, or at least, like I said, leaked image showing that it will be on the 9th. So that's pretty exciting news. Like I said, that's, first, week and some change, almost week and a half of, February. So not too bad. It says no other information. It's shown, of course, on the image, just shows the time and the date. There's no official specs just yet, but of course, there's a couple videos I made with some potential specs on this phone. So of course, like I said, like I was telling you guys, the Ultra is hinted to have the S Pen only on the Ultra, and of course, it's going to be sporting a Note-like shape and look. It's also been rumored. Let's see. So also the Epic Standard appears to be in a noticeable different font. So maybe that's, with the pen, that's what it kind of is hinting towards. It says the phones are likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in select markets, and of course in other regions. So like in the US, you'll get the Snapdragon, and in other regions you'll get the Exynos 2200 with AMD powered GPU. But like I said, here in the US, we get Snapdragon, which I personally like more. There's also rumors suggest that less RAM. These phones will have less RAM with the Ultra model, while prices are set to hike. Thanks to the chip shortage, which a lot of people don't like. So of course, with a lot of demand and less supplies, the price tends to go up. So that's why this year you might be actually seeing that the Galaxies are a little bit more expensive, even though it's saying here you're getting less RAM. It says, of course, once we actually have the official Unpack event of Samsung, we will get the official specs like I was telling you guys. It says Samsung has already opened reservations for its upcoming flagship smartphone series, which will provide pre-order perks like $50 Samsung credit and more. So I know previous years they give you better perks, like maybe 400, a Samsung credit or something like that, so you can shop on Samsung's website and get some stuff. And of course, carriers, that's another thing I'll make a video with, depending on what each carrier is going to be doing with the pre-orders, or do you buying a Samsung S21? So that's going to be very exciting. So this is a short little video, just showing you guys, the pack event when it's leaked to come out. So hopefully you like it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way. Like I said, I'm ordering a couple phones, so hopefully they'll come and I can unbox them and do all that good stuff for you. Thank you.